So this video, we're asked to convert a different kind of decimal into a fraction. If you saw my last video, you would see that the certain numbers repeat. However, the 4, both the 7 and the 4 repeat. Now only the 4 is repeating. There's a different method you have to use whenever that's the case. So first off, you have to figure out how many distinct digits are there, kind of like before, so 2. And then you simply, what you do is, you add a 0 for every integer that does not repeat, or replace a 9 with a 0. In other words, before you would do 99, now you do it over 90. And then you take the number that appears, 74, and subtract the number that does not repeat, so 7. That would get you 67 over 90 as your answer. So let's go. So basically, to reiterate again, you take the number, subtract the first number, that's your numerator, and then you do it over 90 in this case. So 9, and then replacing the other 9 with a 0. So let's go down to the next one. This is more of the same, except you'll need to simplify this time. 27 minus 2 is 25, divided by 90. Well, that can simplify to 5 over 18. In this case, you have to add the 1 from before. 1 plus 0, 3. 3 minus 0 is 3 over 90. So not simplifying, and then you can simplify after. You get 31 over 30. Next one, you have a few more numbers, this time 3 digits. So in 3 digits, you would normally divide by 999. However, in this case, the 1 is not keeping, so you replace that last 9 with a 0. You divide by 990 instead of 999. And then you subtract the 1 from 123. You get 122, which will simplify to 61 over 495. And then down here is a similar thing. You got 3 digits, but now the first 2 digits aren't repeating. So you replace 2 9s with zeros, so over 900. And then you subtract 12, since 12 isn't repeating. So 123 minus 12 will get you 111, which I believe this does simplify to be 37 over 300, like that. So that's how you solve those kinds of problems. If you enjoyed, like, sub, all that stuff. Stay tuned for tomorrow for more daily uploads.